I don't know, sorry. I don't know how.
He's roasting some Ronto meat, look. I'm guessing. Is that a little sitting area? That's really nice. Is he a character or is he in costume? Oh, and then that's like the proper restaurant.
Looks nice actually.
Does
some funny names.
Yeah. It is, yeah. That is honestly the most impressive, immersive thing I've seen. That's amazing. What's the queue now? 50 minutes? Not bad, is it? Really? Did you say it was worth it?
Yeah.
Got loads, haven't they?
So, I like the beef spin fizz sounds nice.
So we're getting the fuzzy tauntaun.
Yeah.
The what? Beef spin, Bacardi rum, pomegranate juice. That sounds nice.
They want to interact with everybody. Sanders Director is going wild.
Malibu pineapple rum, Sailor Jerry spice rum, citrus juices, passion fruits.
Can you get that without the mug?
Don't know. Surely you can. What about a Dragon Ball Slinger?
That's one that's more for the
Oh yeah.
One person.
I don't know what else I'd get. So fizzy tauntaun and the Pepsi fizz, Kettle One, botanical grapefruit and rosé vodka, Taylor's velvet, Millennium, bold blue curacao, white grape juice. Bloody hell, that's a mouthful.
The Jedi mind trick sounds interesting.
That's one I just read out. What about the outer rim? Oh, apparently no, that's the one I had that was apparently not great. I've heard.
So margarita, isn't it?
Yeah. So Jedi mind track, fuzzy tauntaun, the Pepsi fizz, and then did you want to try the
Fizz and the blue band.
blue band?
Yeah, can you do that?
Yeah.
To be honest, I think we tried the blue band.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are at the bar. Mark's fun. He drinks the fastest, you know. If the power goes out, you're right there. You know? Scary. Not that scary.
Please look at all the like things up there as well. And then look, DJ's right behind us. Thank you. Isn't it?
What's nice?
Is it nice?
Yeah.
I'll try this one. Oh, it moves. That's delicious.
Always makes me think of my first love. 90s song. She was the joy I was looking for, but she got reassigned to another part of the galaxy.
They're really nice.
Dolly,
Oh,
you can hear me.
that's nice.
This one's
Might not gone one at all.
It like petri dishes.
I meant to do that.
So we went for the Jedi mind trick and then the blue bantha, which comes with a cookie on top. I don't know how well you can see. So that cost $66 for the 3 alcoholic and 1 non-alcoholic beverages. But yeah, it was so good. And now we've just come out and it's all lit up. It looks even better in the dark. It looks insane. Like, words cannot describe how good this looks. It's crazy. Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? It's insane. Sounds like that's taking off. Oh, that looks so cool in the dark. Hey, it's insane, isn't it? It definitely comes alive at night, doesn't it? And as if like magic, we are back in Andy's backyard.
From one space traveller to another.
Oh yeah. Coming from Toy Story Land, and now we've got a fast pass for Slinky Dog, so what a perfect way to end the night.
Oh, I was going to get that for standard, it's more plastic.
Oh, I can't have that, can I? Oh, you can actually bend its arms as well. Right, should we go on our fast pass then? Sorry. they're gonna let me in then. On we go. I'm not gonna film on this ride because I film it every trip and I just wanna sit and enjoy it, but you know how it goes. And this, I think, is our last ride for the night. I don't think we've got any other plans after this, so probably just gonna go back to the hotel and get an early night. So I feel like we've done a lot today. We've been shopping, been to Star Wars Land, drank some cocktails, and now just waiting in line for Slinky, which is super fun. I love this ride. Have you got any plans for after, or no? We're just gonna go back to the room.
We can go back, have a little look down and see the Hollywood Tower of Terror.
Yeah. And then
It actually looks cold, doesn't it?
it's more cold.
Don't you think?
Yeah, I don't think I want to sit much.
No, I don't want to. I'm just saying. It's not as cold now.
Oh, so we can just go and sit down.
I understand and just watch the projections on the tower.
Yeah, that'd be nice. And then head back to the room, maybe get nothing else to eat.
Yeah, ever.
So yeah, we're just gonna go on this, and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, it's Toil at the back. Yeah, it's Toil.
Please stay seated till we come to a complete stop. Remember to grab all your stuff and step out to your right. So long, pals.
Oh, that was so much fun.
My face is freezing.
I know, that was definitely a wake up, wasn't it? It looks like a gingerbread house with half of it missing.
Need to walk round the neck.
Oh, wow. What's all that ruckus?
And the snow settles on the ledges.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
Because they do the Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam production show on it.
That is honestly possibly one of the prettiest things I've seen. And do you know what makes it more realistic is the fact that it's freezing cold.
Yeah, just for more Christmas.
Yeah. was really nice. No, it wasn't. Train and everything. I really like that
Christmas
one.
house.
Yeah. And then look at these as well, the vintage ones. They're like the lights up around the park, yeah. I definitely think that Marie one's my favourite though. Oh, these are so nice.
Oh wow.
And then, what's the
Spirit Girl.
I know, what's that one? Is that Buzz Lightyear? What does it say on the back? Space Ranger?
Yes.
Oh, I like
Space Ranger
that.
action figure.
So got knitted Spirit jerseys.
Honestly, I love that one.
That's really nice. How much are they? They don't have price tags on. Oh no. $74.99. Yeah, but you could buy it with your gift voucher that you've got. That is really nice.
I actually would wear that.
Why don't you get it?
I'll think about it.
I've seen what I want. It's fluffy inside. It's not just the outside.
Oh wow.
That's gorgeous.
Cash, please.
These are so cute. Back at the room, we've just been down to our quick serve to get a hot drink. I said we've just got back to our room. No, we've just been to get a quick serve drink and we've got our matching Christmas pyjamas on from Primark, and then just like this cool cute farewell print with red bow. The ultimate Christmas pyjamas. But yeah, we're back and I think we're just literally going to chill out. I feel like I'm about to pass out, how tired I am. But we're going to have a look at the Territory Lounge downstairs, but I cannot eat or drink another thing, I'm so full. We don't yet have plans for tomorrow morning. We are going to go to Magic Kingdom in the evening because we've got a reservation at Liberty Tree Tavern and have fast passes for a few rides. But yeah, we are going to kind of go with the flow tomorrow, see where it takes us, and that is it for tonight. We watched a few of the projections onto the Tower of Terror and that was really nice.
Sunset Seasons Greetings.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Oh. That, and yeah, we went to Batu. We had lovely cocktails in Ogre's Cantina, which I would highly recommend to anyone, even if you're not a Disney fan like us, because we had no idea what any of it was, but it was still spectacular. And I can't wait for the new ride to come out and go on Smuggler's Run when we next go back. yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.